This is a demonstration tape for a Jobo Atl2300. Purpose of this tape is to demonstrate that this processor is in great shape, running as normal. I bought the processor brand new about 5 or 6 years ago, I think, and I'm the only one that ever used it. The only thing it's ever been used for is black and white negative processing, large format. And if you're familiar with Jobos, this is a fully programmable, can do color or black and white. Multiple programs are available for it. It is fully temperature controlled. Has 6 chemical bottles up front. Each of these 6 bottles are tied into the pumps and all that stuff. And all of your materials are recoverable. There's 6 bottles here at the bottom that allows you to recover your chemicals and reuse them. There's an additional 6 bottles up here. These 6 bottles are also available for processing. There you can see the do now is turn it on and run it through one of its cleaning cycles. We'll run it through the cleaning cycle to clean the front 6 bottles. There it says we're on, does a motor test, and that's the approach showing you visually start, what you're going to do. Program number 15 is a cleaning program. So we'll just hit the start button and it'll begin the cleaning process. Now what it's going to do is flush out each of the 6 bottles. It's flushing out bottle number 1 right now. Each of the 6 bottles has 1,000 cc's of water in it. So it pumps the water out of the bottles, flushes it through the system. Now we don't have a drum on there. A drum is not included in the sale. And I got the drum off so that you can see that the plumbing and the motors are still working in there. Now that's bottle number 2 being pumped out, and you can see the gears turning around. So it would pump out all the liquid in bottle number 2. Pump it into the drum, and then the lift arm would lift the bottle up in the air and drain all the liquid out of the bottle. So we just seen it empty out bottle number 2. Now it'll pump out bottle number 3. It'll pump 1,000 cc's of water out of bottle 3. And pumps it out with air. And again, if the bottle were on there, it would be captured in the drum, but the drum's not on there, but it doesn't know that. The lifter lifts up, emptying the drum out, and then going home. And it'll continue that way through all the bottles until it gets all 6 of the bottles emptied out. Under a cleaning cycle, the fluids do not go back into the retention bottles. These are the 6 retention bottles here on the side, front left. And those are the bottles where if you were using a piece of film right now, you would recycle your chemicals from the holding, from this holding tank through the drum and the film, and then back into its corresponding reuse cycle tank. Then you could take that out of there, put it right back in the processing drum, and start all over again. So that's how you use reuse. And if you know Jobo Labs, Auto Labs, you know all that stuff.